Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the world of open source tools for 3D modeling, graphics, and video editing. These amazing software options are not only powerful but also completely free to use, making them a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced creators. So, without further ado, let's explore the top open source tools that can take your creativity to new heights. First up, we have Blender, an incredibly popular and robust open source 3D modeling and animation software. With Blender, you can sculpt, texture, animate, render, and so much more. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting, Blender's active and supportive community will guide you along the way. Check out the link in the description to download Blender for free from their official website. Next on our list is GIMP, short for GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is a powerful open-source image editing software that offers a plethora of tools for photo retouching, image composition, and creating original artwork. With customizable brushes, filters, and plugins, GIMP is a must-have for any creative project. Head over to their official website to get GIMP for free and let your imagination run wild. Moving on to Krita, an open-source digital painting application perfect for illustrators, concept artists, and comic book creators. With an impressive range of brushes and tools, Krita allows you to bring your digital art to life. Plus, its user-friendly interface ensures a smooth experience for artists of all skill levels. Download Krita for free today through the link in the description. Ready to edit your videos like a pro? Say hello to Shortcut, an open-source video editing software that supports a wide range of audio and video formats. From timeline editing to multi-track capabilities, Shortcut offers an array of features, including filters and transitions, to help you create stunning videos. Don't forget to grab Shortcut for free by visiting their official website. And before we wrap up, let's talk about Natron, an open-source node-based compositing software widely used in the film and animation industry. If you're into visual effects work or motion graphics, Natron's powerful toolset is a game-changer. Don't miss the chance to get Natron for free from their official website and take your projects to the next level. There you have it. Our top picks for open source tools that cover 3D modeling, graphics, and video editing. Make sure to check the links in the description to access these fantastic software options. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.